Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuhu mbadi ngol kabri ngali konton kabondi kibaro network ngal bismillah momi toni konton kendo walnal badi ma pamane ngai kibaro tombo kabondi imam bulu abe diam kan Suleiman Kamara la kola tanjiro ke ko Suleiman anyum Mohamed tawnene mawulu Gambia kono bawo ila lo fasaro ke mola min keta sidi njayti banko dingol la kola womu kule tumu yanon kan ne mamira ko Suleiman Kamara ba kela alla tanjiro kala dingol ye privilege mun soto bantara bankol mu yalan koy beje Angleterre banko dingol fanan solata walla yakata ye dingol samalan batamu yalan ka be lanim banko dingol kay la ay dingol nim mol be kan ay mun sata Suleiman ye albamo la kabondi imam bulu wodi amo kola mo do mu yala wole diamata o fana yitandiro ke ko momu yalan wole diamata anno aketa mansa sumareti kumol mu yalan kay wolle fo fon kadum mol wala ka city police olu wala mol mul yalon ko wala keta security forces ti keneng wala ka kumol fo e sidi njay la kola wala ka fo ke kajafi ke woni fela be diamo ka wo kola meduna wo kacal kono kala moy ye min fo masa sumare ani Suleiman Kamara wo kola ci fanu ndiro ke kumol mul fora je kal tentu kal je kal nimbara annal bari malen pamane la baraka ba jala la moy ko ni mala
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده سليمان كبر كديام سليمان وسليمان دسان كلا كو صلى الله عليه وسلم كو موسى بيجول مبلا فامولتي نتا كدواولي سليمان كو إبكا مو فاسا فسيدين جاي سليمان ممالو من سلي كو كسيدين جاي لفاسا Sirin Jai me alon kani ya jama to tarte kele la sanji gelu Suleiman to nya le khaya wala ya tila bikay wala na Sirin Jai mal mutafenti Sirin Jai ko min ga Gambia dingul la Sirin Jai na ta safno la Gambia dingul nyala hana be sirin mun siran ne kan malam fo yolo desan bok mo kensen fo la mo le Suleiman du kare la fora ya muta Sirin Jai alon ko ite mala jalol tidron wala atinda nani mol dun dañola te katara deri ni membe keden sidi nyaay mo madi am ko moy ite finde le sidi nyaay la jaloti Suleiman ila ko bala fa warta de desan ato letter ran ko yaaje me kelani sidi nyaay ko ka banko samba nyama membe constitution mam betea sa ite tondana amunta ye fono de nata buru ya fono ko ya be namu Suleiman ila ko bala fa warta Suleiman mun be ke fam korsi bank ne wodi o bonni be kadum formule kono bang dulal to tari ni midial to mole be men fo kayma ke yamari kaje ko be men kan slan kenden de buji ite men be fo yajem atuli yajem kele jan ko anyi mambete ya abi maralo men o yajem lo maral kila to ko kondina al mammal al mansila bari kayfa la kila ko al khayau la yati la bi kayr muslimi ade kila ko dina o dina daji ko soto muslimi ala daji ko folo al khayau wala maloti wala na kila ko nimmo men be kamal ko wasa kuja wasa kenol isi hakilo do fo kumoto Suleiman alina wadi ofrandam kila ko mani uminu billahi wal yawmil akhir falyaqul khayran aw yasmutun ni be fin ida kono ayke khayro tan sawabo adin ka mo kendol fasa fata ka mo kurun fasa sidin jaay keno mo kendati sidin jaay fango jaato a fango alon ka man ke mo kendati sidin jaay mella Gambia dum kan Gambia dum nanati nyina lo andu Gambia dum ni sidin jaay bita kiti la tabayil ñin duniya kon atibayila ko ila bira la president char sero tarin ko la dum president saba nyawde bari ñin dola même tare bela wala boka ali ngata ite la dimbal fil England men bento la banko tinya kay na fulo min dal lopitano to ya be ye la kan silol gielu courant fengo be tanko ite la dimbal be dame be tankare Suleiman ite mo jaw balati de Suleiman Kamara ite mo jaw balati ila dimbal sama nan bay min be la dimbal tara kono banko ko wala na Gambia du nga falen koy ko nalibe duwala yi ale ñul bule la duwal alla duwal kono naali be barola masa kunda dankala ñul be sojetu ali soji ñul le man la falla yala dimbal be fil England hani ñu ngoy dim nin de newla may si topato hani bududo ta jola tan ibe tankari gide kurande fego be yaso kanto le na fulota ka ki wole kanto ke kende ni manke ke furu fa ke kendo le mut ibe dame itele ñande la dimbal balunda الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما انفقوا ni arake kendom ni mo ke kendoti de be wala woto bi manan to be men fala wala banko Gambia be fuare ari nyamin emira England balwo bi nyamin iga gambia dimul la kodote ka kila dimbali england kadu de ngante balunde ni bige balunda fonye ko alay daru sa ngante bukan na dimbal balundi fola ka balu fay ari ngalan ko dimbati ke oke if ite kila dimbal balundi ita ko bala fa warata bak ni moy kumale ko badi bu dindi wala ka kumade atul nay badi bu ka dindi wala membe mañana altal fan cross la ban altal almalon ko alboto dula do damin je kummatale dami yalon ko bira kum fa kum sate kilinde je semen kumande kafir sate la ite korda kilin fo jele je o area la biri kerewan fo farafini fo ka tambi kata ite korda jele je sabu mu kafir kordal abe muslimi dum le kamati kila ko al hayaw la yati la bi khair fal malon ko atol be kafo men ko na aku folo mo malolati annun ko be jawma yefono ke ina murakan atol ya jeme kele min bela o constitution la nalo daji ka jawul wolli be tama kambi jumali ya ma koy wala ngane sidin jaaji loti wala na sidin jaay mal muta fenti de sanalla ko bala fawarta de al tangi lonna sa fodi ni alle ni setan rigi mo ni boyta anda be boyla ta bayla kandu inna qaida setan kana da'ifa qaida setan kana da'ifa setan wala fere lam futale ama wati soto kartew min manipulata alla ke bay min manipula sun kanyaw adama baro ate yalo ate fulan jana ko tagi ni AIC ni ano e continue ano ya filiki molde tol fale la ko tagi no mata min be kelaye ni AIC ni le gambia dunde problème kabiri ya jamelo mo fa jaw ni le ka atamina ka continue mo fala ni kilo la continue de ya adama baro facility diala ay dindi abe dinanol fakan ala boru kurun atulun tul na tul la sabato nyi banko kan nalla ke banko kilo da ketan moli nimi soleti falbi ke je bangal bi ka moyro kal bi ka la moyro ke bang ko men be gambia furewe tombonna fego be tombona blado tombonna nyeje ko kata bari bule iko kam mana silo ko le bodi malu man sila adama baro fala butuk le bodo bari bu ko sangi gelo be taxpayer ajo kan ntamalon itela sabato england anafali fo man ken tula adama baro fayi o kodo a keta le bana ta kije fa fa le kodo keta ban bari bu ko sangi gelo to be taxpayer ajo kan Sulemani ila ni la ko mire ka fa nyindu fo nyimbe wulo le kono bang amang bo dunia ku kalama bang on sita england fo dictator kele fo kuma da dictator fa tata wo mari le kana wole la miro kana keteng Sulemani la ko bala fa warta bak ni diamo ke mura kamba yaji be mol ke yamar benna nyimbe kono to diala mo iye kando ikete nyawnya ni mbota ma fan kilinde atoli bad bun ka dinol membe nyim dayi kan tayala ali nyim bula ali sobeya lalon ko nyim banko mum be la bankoti ntol le diamo ni ntol kono to jawyata ko mi yitenu biata ngande etebe dame england debe norway ni aran debe ko mi yite biata ngande bar ni botay tañol mambo gambe jaral teje kuran teje gite je silate nyin kando kono nyin so nyin kando kono fe kando be mol tolle la bon kono kuran bita bina baral to folade ni be mo kanna kanu ale ni ba konna kon ale adama baro mo kili manya na kanula du mo kendente sai na kaburo la kalbe wala wurla anala masakunda ita e poto de kanla al mudolu ita sadadan wala julo dum fuaro ni aliyati mol kanla baral bajela albe gila nyin jonto la banko nyimbe yirwala e karakilo fengo fembulo mata na fulola ay luwati na bebi ta kasola al bajela gamme bet ngale bokina jel bokina be nyami ilo mo kurumbal karakilo mo beta kasola nay jabe nyaadi mali be nyaadi ali ngata abinale ate bayla moko ni banko ala manjutu banko la wala tafsidu fil ardi ba'da islahiha alkana banko tinya banko le nyakola jawra na da nyim banko landi nyako ya jamena ta betinya adama baro tasiya tawte atol fonnin kelme nyanta wulla nga kafnyo ma banko dida atol manke fen alman fenno ma fakodo fokal jomen albe talabu la dunya ko le Suleiman ini sifal la ko malo watal fangay kila ko hubul watan min al iman ka banko kana na kayro ka topota na kayro kan dinolem limani alamati andu muslimi ya fam limani alati la ko bala fa ninde ngey moy diamula ndesa ngey moy diamula andum e ko imbitam mo mawla nginde kamara kundanko ka wol bu ka kete nga jama kamana kunan kol mo so belleti wala ni tar siyosi ko ne ke tarji barite Suleiman wala ni nge to wada ke kondon fon wala kan haka kondon yin na bunya fon aka kole ambulu sitile daji ko bi nyame bari kayfa la yukhrijul hayya min al mayt wa yukhrijul mayta min al hayy la ko bala fa warde fon en bi diamu la drum sa fa talam wi bi mo fa sa fa Sidin Ndiaye mi yalon ko ka fayda me ko adama baro ni adama baro la adama baro tardente nu wosi Sidin Ndiaye ta anala hadu me keso mi yalon ko amanjiki amalla alala fo shaytanu alama lay MPP burka ala ya tariyande alama man satla adama baro na do kula ay be burka en jondo ay banko sika di mo la meske banko kayro tan banko dum banko ko nan banko bantala.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi taala barakatuh mbadi Gambian ko do mbadi democracy kanalo anal badi mal nyabali of radio international mega 12 here in Gibraltar, Chris crossing down to Spain, Malta and Italy. Mbadi Gambian ko bi na donc diamo fenna mun keda na audio moy mun keda mansa sumareti mansa en sumare Masa Sumare afintale ka diamo ke Sidin Ndiaye honorable Sidin Ndiaye deputy speaker of House of Parliament de Gambia ka wo defend bake fa ka rabula security mola ka wol doya ka wol nei ka kuma tilimbala foye aburde ko reke Sidin Ndiaye fasa munna mun keda luwan tayati Sidin Ndiaye mo be en ka Sidin Ndiaye mun keten ala action nyin amon correct video fanana findum yalan kono it went viral Gambia kono an dunya kono la ka Sidin Ndiaye la action nyin ka condemn ndenga mi si Masa Sumare ni de mo mi ko hakilo warta no e mo mi anan ka foko e mo mi anan ko be to nya fasa kan because even UDP da NPP da UDP da NPP so mo mala bi da min sainten ba ya dia mo nyin ay bolé bakale ni hakima mo yitat no Masa Sumare ye luwalo e 40 no mani dum ni long office bakale ba e man kare man felle man ke fenti man ke fenti man ke fenna keranti so moti bi bakale because i hakilo down yoro kiten yalon ni mo diamo de ka hakilo ja ala diamo ko le e ka hakilinta ja diamo ko na eta diamo ni mo le hakinta am jeto ulatna ndam bare nga diam bakile ko la just that irman Sidin Ndiaye ma lon ulatna Sidin Ndiaye passed through my hands grade 9 to grade 12 Sidin Ndiaye dinnin kende banu mo ma karamu to hakilo warta aten kunta abuka manyere ke bay be ata poti ko ndron wala la fra Sidin Ndiaye kele mo mi nan ko ay akere ngani mati adama do siboro baki katum bi be ken ba sama kanale manza kilin jamanu ko duniya bang o do Sidin Ndiaye nta kira bakele ba anyway ite ko munna ko security mu inde fam fundin nan ka diamu ko wala ko security sida tan sawo be tu ngambe security forces e ko content da baki ni video mu da viral la ka Sidin Ndiaye condemn ka nen ka kol fajir e ko wol content ko bakele ina na IGP order e ko they should take action against this thing mu ni okay ka Sidin Ndiaye ka video ke ka Sidin Ndiaye nen ka qualify because of his position in the country will see Umari arrest ka saba kijo ka saron follow Masa Sumare ite fo ngente kala mumiyana ko ngente soro nale ngenta kijo police or the security forces Gambia joint security forces should take you to court because he accused they ko si that time say nyong kama police Gambia security forces will be there happy with what happened to Sidin Ndiaye mumiyana ko nak is a falsehood fabrication against our security men and women. Nafundo kayan ko konda Sidin Ndiaye talk about him much, but niaje mfinda nan ka ko konda because you involved our security men. Na security forces, equal 80% of them are behind this thing, 50 to 80%. So that means equal they are happy with this thing, you accuse them. That you need to be arrested for it. Either security force, you accuse Muna. That means you are accusing the president himself because the president insulted the security forces. In Yadunkol Betu. So Nicole, they are happy with this thing. That means Adam Barrow himself is happy with this thing. So you are blaming the president directly. Imalon fang. But yalo hakil down na diamoto. Aka hakil down diamoto nake. Ija ka foko. Sidin Ndiaye Mungi is not correct. According to the video and what we have heard, ngamumai. Sidin Ndiaye ngenda power use the ko. Anyway, ferio nte ko sambon bebla ita ferio ta dokola nim frara han ferio jidal mba fele ferio wuli ngayen samba because of his position and ferio by high bala na wala because of his position it could be risky for him to sleep at bara so he should be crossed ya feri ni atendi so na for a time was kenole ngai gambe ko ya kere jere mojama muyango they are in the government feri ina rejere ata ferio crossed ferio wulille ferio ke samba soko sili nja place o nyami ya fa nyam place kuma barba blokono bari masa suare e ko dibito nyanda kam mitin ba ko emergency bit no ko mandi nyim ko kamma ka ko address immediate ni mo go that means they are also behind this people and they made the video and again sili nja do you know how much yana gila abi gele gambe masa kunda kosa gele how many millions la ka emergency bit no ko dibito bungon ka si ka ko discuss just 1 hour or 2 hours la ila dibito ngini ka how much that cost them the Gambia government e ko nene ma joni Gambia ko be nene ma joti Donald Trump de ya bunne America nene ma joti with all the security he has around him American president but as the main opposition leader he was given full security FBI's were there KGBs were there RS force was there were there and many other security forces were there from the police to the intelligence of the army the plain clothes you have other officers they are all there but with all that ya bulni dafa kafa bari ya so da ba ya tulo faras o ne ma jolti American security force kono where that security leakage happen here dino ni ya fall ito ko yo fall yes ya fall but saying do you know the charges to be made against the people who shot him because imalo mo jele be ko kono jumangi le ko from plan who are those behind this so near ring leader far you have failed mission and American security forces never fail in their missions. So in far, do you know how much will it cost the American government? You don't even know. So ni mo kuja wa Kenya fadron is security lapse. But anyway, it's a security karam, so I'm not going to that. Anyway, let's go to ika na police na security nye ki manya minjanta. Ida wo mukulu baliati anu hormante amal balialam because na security force you can't tell that they are behind this thing. Because they are happy with this thing. That is a lie. That's a big lie. You don't have to involve our security forces in this thing. You can't even tell whether they are there or not, whether they are happy or not. Tell us who are those there, who are happy with this. Gambia no la nyantolemu, ka finti, ka Sirinjai condemned because of his action. If Sirinjai did not act professionally, the citizens would act responsibly within the brackets of democracy and rule of law. And that's what they have done. It is that it is something like a calendar. But it's come from me and Abdunalal. Child Sama, he will make a small reflection of what he has done. Sirinjai made a serious mistake. Tell Sirinjai you made a mistake, yes. Because Ferio Manyan stopped because of you. 1 hour plus, almost 2 hours. Ferio Lone Kibariko, more Sarsen Ferio just to wait for you as Honorable Member of the House of Parliament. Lua Dalal. That was wrong. Of Sirinjai, but it will be for a security involved. You can't give it a woody going condemn. Emergency bit of science. It's like you are a person in the Gambia, take a security order to go and convey an emergency House of Parliament meeting in the Gambia. It may mean how much will cost the Gambia government. The police security here accused, being police, the army, the intelligence, the drug squad, the immigration, the prisons. Ye mobile accused too. Yalamu hakintalti, Kulubali alamu, Hormantalum, Barakilanum, Jufilanum, the Manyanka. Okay. But you did it because you think you are Ibama Safasaka. Mansan knows what you are saying. The government knows what you are saying. So, Niko Sipake, instead of these guys make video, they are inciting violence. You are the one who is inciting violence in that country. Tell Sirinjai the truth. He will not kill you. My boss, that's not correct. You say immunity. When you come, the ferry could take ferry you. But you will condemn because they were angry with Sirinjai. So therefore, it ain't in the wood like Omar you condemn. Yeah, it's true. They won't arrest anybody. And even if they arrest them, if they charge them, tell me, what would they charge them for? Sedition? Is that sedition? That's not seditious. It's not seditious. Because you Yakmanle, you turn your fire. You call that, you tantamount that to be seditious thing? No, man's smart. So, man's smart. Kieba buka dia monya. Some time ago, there was that chief driver in the Gambia State House. Adamboro in time ago, I take Adamboro phone drive. I be UDP, NPP, UDP, MPP. Adamboro kodu kafila ala mutro kono, briefcase kono. o drive on yara ka kodo sunya dollar nim pound la ke sunya ke ka ba so kono Adambaro jakata ko la I have security top security officer me and he trusts them a lot. They are Senegalese forces. They can't be sumure, don't worry. A camera install, a small camera. They are install mo rogo njut. Ita ma wolong. Amari from malong. Ata ko bi ayaka baki ka ko so camera beta tu. Ya sam president, bin president da kala ko mankedel Adambaro. According to who told me this. And this guy was one of the closest guys to you people in the State House. Ako iko Adambaro ngira sumure ya diala ajibi ye Omar Kumandi. Ya reprimand that now excused from the service. The character for Yanis work on. Jumana would I am more from the Gambia Kono, more will be with the Gambia, Adambaro Talma Ulu Gambia. So let him come out and tell the Gambians, Mama Uloni, but Mintole, Iwuta Mintole would be their bootlick as Adambaro. Sidinjai, Ukakele, but I didn't see the Yamu didn't kill the because why? But left them work a Gambia Kono. Nyabala, Manhan Kumalajet, Mankuhunajet. Ite Bama, Ifama, and the Bama, Mfama. We suffer for this country, and they suffer for this country. But we still see nonsense going on in the country. People like you, Efulefus, toilet papers, are still defending those lawless and crude system of administration in the Gambia. You come now like that. Sirinja Tonya Fire. Sirinja will know what you have said. But you want money, you have nothing, you have no employment in the Gambia, so therefore you want money. So if you want money, you have to come out and defend somebody who is wrong. That's not the way to take the country forward. If you are asking the police, either police will accuse, you security accused, you cannot call the security, call them fundang. You cannot ask them, but you cannot order, but let them come out and arrest these guys who made these videos and talks there in the video. Security forces Gambia, they are very professional and very right to do whatever they are doing. They want to become would have been in flames by now. Party Jallo, the commanding officer of the PIU at the time, and now he is the AIG. And then you have the new IGP, Mr. Ture, and some other senior officers were there. And they went out to control the situation because they are professionals in their own rights. They know what they are doing, and they don't want to only defend the government when the government is wrong. They want to tell the government indirectly the truth, and that's what the action they did. So neither would be. It is Kweka President Fasa, Kweka Sirinja Fasa. You know very well Sirinja is wrong. Advise him on the right thing. But they are security, they are behind this thing, they are all happy. 80% are happy. That's wrong. You don't do that. Don't accuse our security men. In fact, the purpose why I came out to address these issues is because you involve my men. Security is part of my life, and I love the security of the Gambia. And I adore them. I want them to progress. I want them to do the best thing. As far as this minister is concerned, as far as the new IGP, the new CDS, deputy IGP, and the directors of the intelligence and other places are concerned, because I think they are professionals at the moment. So near Madrong, you see the best part of me also. I'll come out and defend and challenge it. You don't touch our security men. So police will form. They should arrest. You think police are your fathers and your mothers? They should go and arrest if you give them order? No, they act professional. These people are educated and they have learned lessons. The soldiers have learned lessons. All the security operators have learned lessons now. So enough is enough to use them barbarically. No, that should not happen in that country. But but people like you, clueless, senseless, lack of education, lack of honesty, lack of religion, lack of integrity, lack of morals, people like you should not be even given attention to. And the mere fact that you come out against my security forces, I would come out and attack you. Because Gambia security forces today are very professional and responsible. So, I'll come after you. I will defend you. But I'll come after you. In this case, for security, 80% of them are in favor of what happened to Sidinjai. That's a scandalous lie, full of fabrications. It's the biggest lie of the century. It man fent, it man fent, it man fent long, it man fent current. Han si seki dajo, wole fisa yete di Gambia kon. Ite kasi ka, ite musunti, ite musun suloti. Ite kana sika mole ko ha, Sidinjai is right, Sidinjai is because his position. I think in fact if you are at a very high position, ite ngene kan bumuya nko. If I were Sidinjai, if I were in his boot today, in fact, I will not use my powers or my immunity. There is no way. I call the top will intervene. But then power usually. In fact, it wants me to sleep there, even if it's against my security status. I will sleep there, or I will go back and cross towards South Bangla. He could do that. But detaining the ferry for almost 2 hours, that's unconstitutional. There is no section in this Gambian constitution from 1997 constitution to 1970 constitution to 1997 constitution, which are in my hand here today. You cannot tell me which section, subsection, or article in that constitution says that when the public service is in action, should be stopped by a state officer. President and the vice president, we know. But the speaker, the IGP, the CDS, the deputy speaker, where on earth have you seen that? At a Gambia Duakono. So Rio Sidinjai should maintain Ferio Munyenda Wula, Molu Sarsefa Pari, Molu Frost, they are going around different missions. Sidinjai should detain that ferry for hours. You know that's wrong. That's not correct. Abe Kumfang, it can't be for him. They wouldn't have stopped that ferry. The problem here squarely is vested and laid on the head of the Director General of Gambia Ferries and Services. I'm so Sidinjai must have called those guys to hold on the ferry. Who would call the present commander at the time? Who would also prevail on the captain of the ferry at the time? Captain has nothing to do. Captain he has to obey. The present commander who also received order from top would have to obey. But the Director General of Ferries could have told Sidinjai, no boss, oh sir, Mbari ferry bomb already is loaded. After your investigations, the ferry is loaded. By the time you arrive there, ferry will come back for you, or ferry will take you, will make sure there is service available for you. I think Sidinjai would have been very sensible and rational. He would say, okay, I told him, then this time. But if I did 1 or 2 hours later, after the call and detaining the ferry, that's not correct. We don't have to come out and implicate our officers. Again, you defend Sidinjai on lies. This is not the way to operate in the country. Soon, because soon Mabo. But soon from no wonder you are such a clueless man in that country. That's why people are hating the government every day. Because not to know. In fact, Sidinjai action of is making people to lose hope and confidence in the government. Because the government must more respect, more trust anymore. And that's not good. So anyway, don't involve our security in your deliberations. That is why I came after you. If not, I wouldn't have talked about this issue because it's not my caucus. It's not my caucus. It's not business. I will allow you to go ahead with whatever you want to say. As long as it affects me, but then I know Gambia is such a lawless state that I don't have to meddle too much into the issues. But Gambia bengi bani fatat, amange equally me, amange morutat bana fatat. So we should make sure that whatever we are saying and doing should be within the frames of the Gambian Constitution and human rights. It's very.
Yo mbadi ngol mbele ya moi nyinkumolo ntela dia mote siala je. But tonya. We have very, very irresponsible people in the Gambia. Koni ngamira Sidinjai. Mansa sumare kaka ole fasa. Gambe dingoli. Suleiman Kamara kaka ole fasa. Gambe dingoli. Fu fabu sane na la fabu sane ya nga fabu sane min long. nim fabu sane mum be groupe kilimoto non fabu mu ya fanke nyanchoti fabu mun kante banen fabu mu ya fanke mu kendoti wala ke kendoti wala ko bi aka bori sidi njayle non nko mune be keri mune filtantel ma mullo mun kirimba sifale be keri tel ma min kalamta nyanta kamine lon mammi lon folo bar kube nyi lanto mu yalon ko abe fintilat why is atodum fan fabu sane so submissive to Sidi Njai atele kela salary joba atele employee ba were they appointed by himself Sidi Njai koni nyinde masiboti nyinde masiboti ye do ko ke moy na ke ye kay selen ndamoti ay sele ay si ko kan ay si ko man kanya ay daje tupije ye ko wuli ko be diam lay ko Canada je tukuji drom ay kamutata nyori nyaka koni nyinde keta Sidi Njai ning NPP mol tema masibo lo boytal kan alman so wala masibo kende ma wala be dare ngal tel ko kal tel NPP mol Sidi Njai mo hani mu Sidi Njai je ya jabe abe lori fo e kalon ko nyimu mo furi ngolti ha ala kana fulo di mo furi ngol ya jabe lori ya te fo jabe lori ndore kalon ko nyimu mo furi mbalti nyin na manke dogo ta ate pelo ci kanola aya pus aya fambalu ndal wote ken kam wolni mol fay nyokan ke balo banko di ngol na fulo Sidi Njai wole long ibe lola wole kanganu ibe fala wole fananka koni bari fabu sana telle man sofa altede yali bulol bula barakaten tro ke dangani jayro mol mul yalo wolle kala mo nal bani manem pamani ala baraka ba ci ala moy kunyi mala